What is good, everybody? Welcome to part 3 of our crypto series. Today we're going to be looking at some Solana. I am your host, B2B Trades, and really this is going to cap off our crypto series where I break down some of these coins and I explain to you exactly what I see happening within them. Please, mind you, this video is strictly for educational purposes only and should not be taken as financial advice. Please do your own research. I am not your tour guide within the crypto space. I am my own personal tour guide, explaining to you guys exactly how I view the markets, and if you guys want to follow, go ahead. But overall, let's break down some Solana. Now, the huge difference, which you guys can already tell between Sol and ETH and BTC, is Solana is the only one without a history of growth, but that is okay because we still shorted 96%. We can go to really any asset within the stock space that is IPO'd recently, and you will see a common theme. Look at that nasty sell-off on Palantir, and look at where Palantir is now. Don't mind this entire analysis. I also do not want to redo this video and delete that, so I'm going to keep that there. Now, look at this huge sell-off, which led to an accumulation and a breakout. Solana, you can easily identify that, and I should have easily been able to identify that that is not Solana, but you can easily see it all throughout right here, right? I can guarantee you this is gonna stop out at 80 something percent. Let's say 85. I was wrong. 90%. Okay, so essentially this is just another huge head and shoulders pattern. Neckline, left shoulder, right shoulder. Here is your head. All of the liquidity built up within here. Here is the same order block that you see on Bitcoin and Ethereum. You see price reject off of that order block. So you see accumulation 1, accumulation 2, and now accumulation 3, building up off of those highs. And you will potentially never see Solana at these price levels again. Never again. And similar situation, drawing out our Fibonacci from lows to highs. There's not really much to break down within the crypto space. I actually probably could have broken all these videos down in one single video, but fuck it, it's okay. Same thing, exact same thing. We're spotting the 618 price target up here, which is about 670. I think that's about a 200% increase from current price. Close enough, 187%, with the 2.618 being at $930. I do not think that hits right now. 4 years from peak to peak, 2025 November. Well, there's no really, yeah, no, we can't do it like that. There's no history of price action on Sol, so we gotta really just take it with a grain of salt here. It's a brand new asset, but overall I do think we should be respecting those 618 zones. First one is about 670. Next one is about 930. So personally, I think 670 is definitely within reach. This is a huge accumulation here. Let's maybe try out the same theory from. Yeah, no, 417 that's way too low. It is way too fucking low for Solana. So look for both of those price targets that I just showed you. Really, I would do a much deeper analysis on here, but there's really not much more I could do. Like, it's simply just we're respecting all these trends here. Notice how we're respecting this EMA. We traded below it during the bear market and we started trading above it within the bull market, and we're simply just respecting it. There's so much little liquidity sweeps on this chart, but here is the final one. And if I were to, I guess, dig deeper on a much lower time frame, actually, that's pretty nasty. Wow. Yeah, this is just one gigantic consolidation. This is your. Oh, actually, I can spot it now. So this is the end of a move right here. This is the end of this move. Whoa. Whoa. Head and shoulders. Liquidity sweep. Brand new move. Build up of liquidity here. Build up of liquidity there. Bada boom, bada bing, break out it there, set your stop loss right below these lows, and that is how you trade. I'm sorry for breaking it down like that. Hopefully you guys understood what I just did. This is the end of a move, quick little liquidity sweep, and now this marks your head as your next upside move. But overall, what I'm trying to point out here is, like Bitcoin, like Ethereum, we're simply just buying and holding. At least for me, I don't know what the fuck y'all are doing, but for me, I'm buying and holding. Not financial advice, just to reiterate for the 1000th time. And yeah, that is Solana for you, baby. I really don't know how to break this down any further without me sounding redundant. So I think I'm going to cut it there, and hopefully you guys were able to watch through all of these videos, as I do think that I gave you guys quite a bit of insight onto what liquidity looked like, into what little liquidity pockets were, and how these assets can use support and resistance to ultimately further their advantage as market makers. So yeah, hopefully you guys find some value. Hopefully you guys can make some money within the bull market, and I will catch you guys in another video. And thank you for watching our 3-part video series. Hit that like, subscribe button, whatever people ask for on YouTube nowadays, and yeah, I'll see you guys later.